let's say you have this data set here and you want to copy this data set to a new sheet, but you don't want to copy column C. What you do is that you select column C like this, press Ctrl 0 to hide it, and then you select the data set and press Ctrl A to highlight the whole data set, Ctrl C to copy on a clipboard, and you go to your new sheet here and you paste it in here. But what you can see here is that column C, the quantity column, is still coming up. Let me show you how you can get around this. So let's go back to our original data set here. Once you hide your column that you don't want, what you do is you press Ctrl A to highlight the whole data set here. And after that, press Ctrl G to open this go to window. Click on special. And over here, you're going to select visible cells only and click OK. After that, you press Ctrl C. You can see that only visible cells are actually copied on your clipboard now. Now you go to your new sheet and you go here and select where you want to paste it and press Ctrl V to paste it. And you can see the quantity column, which was column C, is not there anymore. This function also works on filtered data. Let's say, for example, I'm going to undo everything here. To enable filter, select the header, press Ctrl Shift L to enable the filter, or you can actually go to data and click on this filter. And what I'm going to do is that, let's say I want to filter only, say, France, like that. So I know you only got France data here. You guys Ctrl A and Ctrl G to open this go to window. Click on special, visible cells only, click OK. Now if you press Ctrl C, only visible cells are copied in a clipboard. And you go to your new sheet and you paste it. You can see only visible or the filtered data are made available on your new sheet.